In this demonstration, we will add a device to take control using the administrator console and the technician console. To add a device from the administrator console, open Devices in the left menu and click the Add Device button. In the Add Device window, enter the device details. Select if the device should be associated with a group from the drop-down list, and enter the customer details. Enter the link expiration date or toggle if there is no expiration. Click Save. Send the PIN or Windows web link to the customer. Click Done to continue. Guide the customer through the setup wizard. Be sure to note any security settings required for access. Once downloaded, the device appears under Devices. A green check indicates that the devices is remotely connected. To add a device from the technician console, open the Devices tab and click Add Device. Enter the device details and customer information, then click Generate Link. Send the PIN or web link to the customer. The added device is listed under the Devices tab in the technician console.